Well, welcome to lesson 3 in chapter 5, and this is the percent proportion. Our objective for this lesson is to be able to find the percent, the part, and the whole in a percent proportion problem. So in a percent proportion, one of the ratios compares a part to the whole. The other ratio is the equivalent percent written as a fraction with a denominator of 100. So in this example, we have 3 out of 5 is 60%. So the part 3 is compared to the whole 5, and a percent is always the percent number over 100. The whole is 100, and the part is the percent number. So here are some different types of percent problems. You might have to find the percent, you might have to find the part, you might have to find the whole. And those are examples of what you would be looking for. And the way I'm going to teach this, the easiest way I've found for students to understand the percent problems is to do this formula. Is over of is equal to percent over 100. What that means is you take the number that is with the word is. So in this example we have 22 is, so 22 would go on top. What percent of 110? The word that goes with, or the number that goes with of is on the bottom, so it says of 110, so it would be 22 over 110, and then it would be equals the percent over 100. Well, it's what percent? It's an unknown, so we're looking for that, over 100. And I think just translating those words into this proportion is the easiest way to do this. So is over of is percent over 100. So now once you have it in this form, use your cross multiplying. You get 110n is equal to 22 times 100. And then we're going to go ahead and divide by 110. And we end up with n equal 20. So 22 is 20% of 110. Here are two more examples. 17 is what percent of 68? So remember, is over of, 17 is on top, of is 68 on the bottom. We're looking for what percent over 100. Cross multiplying, I'm going to buzz through these pretty quickly. We get that, and we end up with n equal to 25. On the right hand side, 41.4 goes with is. Of is 92, so it's 41.4 over 92 equals n over 100. Cross multiplying and dividing and solving, we get n equal to 45. Find the part this time. What number is? So we're looking for the is part. We have the percent and we have the whole. So the percent is 80%, the whole is 500. We need to find the part. We're going to let P represent the part. So what number we're looking for is over of, over 500, equals 80 over 100. Again, solving using proportions, we end up with P equal to 400. Couple more examples. What number is? We're looking for the is part, so it's going to be x or n over 48. That goes with of. Our percent is always over 100, and then cross multiplying we get n equals 16.8. On the right hand side, find 12.5% of 88. So we have our percent, 12.5 over 100. We have the of part, which is 88, so we're looking for is the only thing missing. So cross multiplying, we end up with n equal to 11. Find the whole. This is the third scenario. Well, here we have the is. We have 14.4. We have our percent for the right-hand side. We're looking for the denominator, the of what number? So 14.4 is over of is the unknown, equals the percent over 100. Cross multiplying and dividing, we get W equals 45. Here's an example for you to try. Pause the video on this one, see if you can figure it out on your own. Alright, hope you gave that a try. Is over of is percent over 100. 23.4 over W equals 30 over 100. Multiplying and dividing, we get W equals 78. Percent's greater than 100. 6 is what percent of 5? Well, we have 6 is, so 6 is on the top, and then of is 5. N over 100, we're looking for the percent. Cross multiplying 5n equals 600. Dividing by 5, we get n equal to 120. So 6 is 120% of 5. Here's your lesson check. Work on these two and bring your answers to class. See you next time.